Imagine having $100,000 in cash just 3 years from now. Seems impossible, right? Well, stick with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, even if you're starting with very little. Let's dive in and unlock your financial future. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're serious about saving a big chunk of cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about something that sounds like a dream for most people. How to save $100,000 in just 3 years. That's right, $100,000 in 3 years. It's not as hard as you think, but it does require focus, consistency, and a solid strategy. Let's break it down step by step so you can start taking action today. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about why $100,000. It's a big number, but it's also a number that can give you financial freedom, security, and open up a lot of opportunities. Having this amount saved up can cover emergencies, major purchases, or even help you invest in the future. But don't let the number overwhelm you. Start by breaking it down. If you save $100,000 in 3 years, that's just under $34,000 a year, or about $2,800 a month. It sounds a lot more manageable when you look at it like that, right? Now that you've got your goal in mind, we need to look at where your money is going. Start by tracking every penny you earn and spend for at least a month. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you see the bigger picture. How much is going toward essentials like rent, utilities, and food? How much is getting lost in unnecessary purchases or subscriptions you forgot about? The goal here is to find opportunities to cut back. Small changes can add up fast. Think about ditching unused subscriptions, meal prepping instead of eating out, or even selling things you no longer use. One of the easiest ways to reach your goal is by automating your savings. Here's why. Automation takes away the temptation to spend the money you intended to save. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate savings account. If you aim to save $2,800 a month, this money will be moved automatically before you even see it in your checking account. This removes the decision-making process and keeps you on track. Also, take advantage of high-yield savings accounts or investments like index funds or a Roth IRA to get better returns on your money. The more interest or growth you get, the easier it becomes to hit that $100,000 goal. Saving money is important, but you need to have enough money to save in the first place. So, the next step is increasing your income. Here are a few strategies you can use. Get a side job, whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or driving for a ride-share service. Having extra income can help you hit your target faster. Ask for a raise. If you've been doing great work at your current job, don't be afraid to ask for a raise. This can provide an instant boost to your savings. Invest in skills. Consider taking a course,